Okay, so this is how I go in and create assignments in Google Classroom. So you're going to go to create, and then you'll select that it's going to be an assignment. So the first thing we want the kids to do is to watch the intro video. Okay, I'm also going to attach our slides for the week. So then you will come over here and you can change the due date. So this will be due on April 3rd, and then you can also do the time. Okay, and then I'm going to create a new topic. Okay, it's distance learning week 2, and I'll select that topic for every assignment that I want to put in here. To go back and add my video, I'm going to add a link, and then I will go to my video. I'm going back to my lesson plans to get this. Sorry, it's taking forever. So I will get the link for this, copy it, and then go back to the classroom, paste it, and then add that link. And I'm going to do the same thing for my Google Slides for the week, because we've always done this in my classroom. So this isn't something that you have to do, but we've always done this. So I'm going to go and I'm going to add this also. Again, add a link so the kids can click through. Okay, and then when I am done with this assignment, I can go, I'm sorry if you can hear Riggs talking like a monkey in a tree in the background, but such is the life right now. Go to assign. And then I'm going to move this down to the third thing because Craig wanted the announcements in the Google Hangouts at the top. And then I will go back and anything I want to add. So if I want to add the first assignment for the week, it's going to be rectangular prisms, video in Google form. Okay, and then I will type whatever I want the kids to do in the instructions. I will add the links here like I did before in the last one, but then I need to make sure that I go and I do the due date again. And then 4. And then it will ask me to select the topic, and I'll put this under distance learning week 2. And then I will add this, assign it. And then when I go back, I can mess with under the distance learning, I can mess with the order that I want the kids to work in also here. So I hope that helps you. And then if this didn't help, I can do like individual phone calls and stuff today, but I thought maybe that this would be enough for you. So, and then we wouldn't need to meet again. So just let me know.